Hi, I'm Sean from iwashyoudry.com, and today we're going to be making one of my favorite quick and easy dinners. It takes about 15 minutes and all you need is one pan. Let's get going. Start by grabbing 4 cloves of garlic and giving them a good mince. One of my favorite tips for mincing ginger is to use a spoon to rub off the peels. Then you can easily and quickly give it a good mince. Grab some green onions, and I like to just give them a good chop. You'll need about a half a cup. Next, we're going to brown some ground beef in a large skillet. I love using ground beef for recipes because it's super quick to cook up and my kids love it, so it's so nice. Add in that minced ginger and garlic and give it a good stir until it's nice and browned. Don't forget to drain any of that excess fat off and then return that skillet back to the stovetop. To the ground beef, you're going to add 1/3 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and 2 teaspoons of chili garlic sauce. I love the chili garlic sauce because it gives this dish a nice punch of spice. But if you are not into the spice, you can go ahead and reduce it or leave it out. Finally, just add in half of those diced onions and give it a good stir until it's heated through. Alright, so literally in as much time as it takes to cook a pot of rice, your Korean ground beef will be ready. So make sure you get that rice on first. Let's get this plated. And to make this dish extra good, especially for the kids, I love to sneak in veggies, so I add a few cool crisp cucumbers on the side, as well as some fun matchstick carrots. Give it a little bit more green onions on top. And just a little bit of sesame seeds to garnish. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I am hungry and I cannot wait to dig in. Let's give this a try. I am telling you, you are going to love this. It's another super quick and easy recipe that you can make on those busy weeknights. Don't forget to check out more related recipes like this on my site, iwashyoudry.com, and check out more videos too.